She can move?
She can bite.
She can move, but he'll also bite.
Come on, sweetie. Oh, girl, come on.
I think that water definitely helps. For it may or bad.
A little bit of weather coming in today. We have our tomato plant, our bites, little boat, big boat, all set up. Looks like it's about to get a little angry. It's trying to come our way. We'll see what happens.
Hi, I'm April. I'm the daughter that they always talk about. I just got back from deployment, so I'm visiting the parents for a few days. We're on our way to St. Augustine for the weekend to meet up with some family friends and just have fun and have a good time. And this is us right now.
This is us.
Yeah.
This is the way we live. This is the way we roll. And Sushi the cat. April's cat. She'll be taking her back to California with her.
Oh, God. The worst flight ever.
It would be the worst flight ever. Babe up. Look. Say hi.
Big night.
Avocado. Alright, this is just us cruising down the waterway. We'll do this for a few hours between Hammock Beach and St. Augustine. So, enjoy your Friday. Hanging out at the St. Augustine docks. Just a nice evening, relaxing. We'll actually spend some more time here later in the year. Nice mouthful of beer.
Run away!
It's all you.
Hey!
Alright. So that's not your baby girl.
Alright, say it.
Welcome home, hey.
We're going to drink to something.
To,
April's return.
Alright. Thank you for everyone coming to see me. Y'all are my family. I love you so much. Love you, baby. And I would not ask for anything more.
Love you.
We'll start here. Cheers. Cheers. Salute.
I don't know where the camera ended up. It might have been looking down here.
What was that one that we named? Udi?
Beauty.
Yeah, where'd he go?
I don't know.
Oh, he's over there. I saw him.
Upside down Udi.
Yeah. It's crazy how dark they can make it when they go
Yeah.
up against the lights. Big guy right there.
The maiden voyage on the new dinghy.
Always have to have a little fun with April. My speed paddling, she about fell out of the tender. New tender, new to us, 2016 AB. All right, little 20 horse 4-stroke Suzuki for the tender. FedEx Freight just dropped it off, so we'll do a little unboxing. As you can see, it's from onlineoutboards.com. Same as Tula, that's where I got the idea. So we'll see what we get. All right. Our new favorite pool. We have our own bartender, Sean. Or Kelly with her margarita mix. Definitely very laid back, and you don't have to fight all the kids and stuff. And we're right on the ocean. You can hear the waves breaking. Happy Saturday, everybody. In the engine room, there's a little noise here. We're back at the marine, or the haul out, and this is why. This is the back of the transmission and the dipstick. You may not be able to see that. A little weight, which means there is water getting into the transmission. So we're gonna get it hauled out, drop this transmission, and have it checked out. Nelson's supposed to be here at noon, my guy. We're at the haul out currently. Alrighty. Back on the hard blocks and chained. Top speed's working pretty good. This drive's in good shape. This drive is the culprit. Some water intrusion here, probably in the steering shaft. Let's see what we can do. All right, here's the shaft. Got some dissimilar metal corrosion going on there. You can probably see that. The port pod is out. Here's the upper section of it. The bad seal.
Are you videoing or taking a picture?
I'm videoing.
Oh my